Hi everyone, I'm Eva. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to set up this pop-up Christmas card file in Cricut Design Space. This is my Cricut Design Space profile. I have some other Christmas project that I've shared in this platform. And for today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make this Christmas pop-up card. Click on that thumbnail and click on Customize. And this is the file. File is ready for cutting. There's no need to change the setting. If you buy the digital file from my Etsy account, you have to set up the file manually on Cricut Design Space. And this is how I do it. I'm on Cricut Design Space. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the file. So you go to the left panel and click Upload. Upload image. And then this is the file, Christmas Card Final Artwork SVG. So I'm going to choose that and click Open. And then select the uploaded file and bring to the canvas. Alright, so these are the file for the pop-up card. We're going to ungroup everything. And then I'm going to work on this front part of the card. Select the lines layer, which is this one. I'm going to change the operation to score. And then let's work on these 4 rectangles. Select all the lines layer. And then change the operation to score. For this Merry Christmas logo, I'm going to use adhesive foil. So I'm going to hide it first and put the red circle over here. Select all layers together and then click attach. Okay, so these are the files that we're going to cut on the medium cardstock. Go to the right panel and click Make. For the material size, I'm going to use 30.5 by 30.5 cm strong grip mat and then hit continue. On the next page, we're going to set the base material, choose the medium cardstock, and then for the pressure, you can leave it as default. Now you have to load the tools and materials. I'm going to use 2 type of blade for this project. So the first one will be the scoring wheel, and then the other one will be the fine point blade. The scoring wheel makes a single crease on the material. This tool is perfect for pop-up card project as it will allow you to have a precise folding line and you don't have to fold it manually. And then just follow the steps on Cricut Design Space. They will tell you exactly when you have to change to fine point blade to cut out the card template. Back to Cricut Design Space. Next, I'm going to cut this logo right over here, this snowflakes logo, and I'm going to hide the rest of the layer. For this one, I'm gonna use adhesive foil. And this is how it looks like after you cut it out. You need transfer tape to transfer your design onto the cardstock. Next, I'm going to show you how to upload the rest of the PNG files on Cricut Design Space. So go to the left panel, click Upload button. And these are the files that we need to import to the canvas. I name it second layer, third layer, and the fourth layer. So we will start with the second layer in PNG format. Choose that file. And then for the image type, choose complex. For the operation, choose print and cut image and then hit upload. We're going to upload the second file, which is the third layer in PNG format. That means this file is going to be on the third layer of the pop-up card. Choose complex for the image type. And then for the operation, choose print and cut image. And onto the third file. This is the last file, which is the fourth layer in PNG format. Choose complex for the image type. For the operation, choose print and cut image and then hit upload. Alright, select those 3 files that we just uploaded and then add to canvas. The size is bigger than the actual cut size, so you've got to resize this one by one. So I'm going to select the file, go to the top panel and then change the size to 13 by 13 cm. So the Santa Claus image here will be placed on the second layer of the card, and then after that I'm gonna resize the second file to 13 by 13 cm, and then this is gonna be placed behind the Santa Claus image. And then this is the last layer, resize it to 13 by 13 cm, and then this is gonna be the last part of the pop-up card. And then to connect the front part of the card to the second layer, to the third layer, and to the fourth layer, we're gonna use this rectangle right over here with a folding line. So we're going to decorate the front part of the card with some images. Go to the left panel and hit upload button. These are the 3 files that I'm going to add to the canvas, which is the Christmas tree in PNG format, elf, and also the letterbox. So let's start with the Christmas tree. Choose complex for the image type. Use print and cut image. And then upload the elf image in PNG format. Use print and cut image. And then last one would be the letterbox. Print and cut image for the operation. And then select those 3 files that we just uploaded and add to the canvas. And I'm going to resize these 3 images. I'm gonna place the Christmas tree image in front of the card like this, so you want it to be slightly smaller so it will not cover the entire image behind it. All right, next would be the elf. I will place the elf next to the Christmas tree, make it slightly smaller so it won't cover the Santa Claus behind it. And for the letterbox, I'm going to place it at the corner here. This logo will be placed at the corner here. Next, we're going to print and cut all the image. So I'm going to remove these files. I'm just going to delete it. Go to the right panel and hit make. Hit continue and then click send to printer. Use system dialog so you can set up the printing setting. For the paper size, I'm going to change to A4, and then you can do a little bit adjustment for the setting right over here. Media type, I usually use cardstock, and then quality, you can choose best, and then hit print. I use transfer tape to transfer this snowflakes adhesive foil onto the cardstock. After you glue the second layer of the card, which is the Santa Claus, we're gonna attach one of this rectangle which you have folded into accordion. And then after that, glue the third layer of the card. And this is how it looks like so far. And for the final touch, I'm just gonna glue the rest of the image, such as this Christmas tree, the elves, and also the letterbox. Follow me on Cricut Design Space for more Christmas project. You can also check out my Etsy shop, Racing to Hearts for more art and craft project. All the links will be provided in the description box.